Hello friends, welcome to Susan and John MathTube. So we are at the last part of complex integration, that is application of complex integration. We are going to learn three different types. Type 1, that is polynomial by polynomial with some conditions, that's an improper integral. And then comes polynomial by polynomial but multiplied by sine or multiplied by cos. Both have the same method, again improper integrals. And the last type is 0 to 2 pi sine theta cos theta. Now look at this, the problems are very long. So I have kept type 1, I have done 4 problems in type 1, but I have kept it in 4 different videos. So make sure you watch the video, understand the method clearly and practice a lot of problems similar to it. And type 2, I have kept it in 2 videos, and type 3 also I kept it in 2 videos. So that's it. So you can start with type 1.